The next train to arrive on platform 4 goes to Waterfall via Banksia. First stop, Arncliffe, then all stations to Hurstville, then Penshurst, Mortdale, Genally, Sutherland, Loftus, Engadine, Heathcote and Waterfall. The 6:33 train to City Circle via Museum on platform 7 is delayed by approximately 5 minutes. The next train to arrive on platform 7 goes to City Circle via Museum. First stop, Central, then Museum, St James, Circular Quay, Wynyard and Town Hall. The next train to arrive on platform 3 consists of 4 cars only. Please move towards the centre of the platform. The next train to arrive on platform 3 goes to Liverpool. First stop, Harris Park, then all stations to Liverpool. The 8:06 train to Gosford on platform 1 is delayed by approximately 7 minutes. The next train to arrive on platform 1 goes to Gosford. First stop, Arimba, then Lisero, Niagara Park, Narara and Gosford. The next train to arrive on platform 8 goes to Parramatta. First stop, Lidcombe, then Auburn, Clyde, Granville, Harris Park and Parramatta. The train on platform 18 goes to Blacktown. First stop, Redfern, then Strathfield, Parramatta and then all stations to Blacktown. The next train to arrive on platform 3 goes to Epping only. For your safety, please take extreme care. Surfaces may be slippery when wet. The next train to arrive on platform 1 consists of 4 cars only. Please move towards the centre of the platform. The 5:47 train to Central on platform 1 is delayed by approximately 10 minutes. The next train to arrive on platform 1 goes to Central. First stop, North Wollongong, then Thirroul, Helensburgh, Sutherland, Hurstville, Walleye Creek, Redfern and Central.